Hello, Sunflowers. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm going to start the
Good
session.
evening,
Good evening. First of all, we will learn some opposite words. Okay? I'll tell you one word and we will discuss about its opposite. हम इसके word का opposite करेंगे. Okay? So everyone is ready to learn the new words and their opposites? All right. So we will start the session. I'll share the PPT. You have to watch the PPT and learn those words. Is the PPT visible? Okay. So the PPT is visible to everyone. Show me a thumbs up if you can see this. Okay, well done, Anaira. So we will start with the first word, fast. Can you see this picture? It's a hare in the past. In the picture, a rabbit. He runs very fast. Have you heard of the story, the hare and the tortoise? Okay, in that story, the rabbit runs very fast, but the tortoise walks very slow. So, the opposite of the word fast is slow. The rabbit runs fast and the tortoise walks slow. Okay? The next word. Can you see this girl? She's very happy. The first girl in the left, she's very happy. Yes? And this girl in the right, she's sad. So the opposite of the word happy is sad. This girl is happy because she got lot many presents on her birthday. And this girl is sad because she lost her pencil. So the opposite of word happy is sad. Next word, dirty. Can you see this boy? He's very dirty. He has not taken the bath from many days. So he is very dirty. And the girl in the right, she's very clean because she took the bath daily and wear very hygienic clothes. So the opposite word of dirty is clean. Everyone repeat after me. The opposite of dirty is clean. Opposite of dirty is clean. Very good. Next, can you see this basket in the left? It's full of apples. And the basket is full of apples. So, the word is full. And its opposite is empty. Can you see this basket in the right side? It's empty. It's having no apples in it. So, the opposite of full is empty. The opposite of full is, say everyone, empty. Next word, soft. Can you see this girl? She is sitting on a soft pillow. It's very soft and spongy. So this word is soft and its opposite is hard. This boy is sitting on a hard wall. So the opposite of word soft is hard. Okay? Tell me everyone, say after me, opposite of soft is hard. Okay, the next word. Can you see this grandma? She is very old. She is more than 60, 70 years. she is very old. And this girl, she's her granddaughter. She's young. She's just like you all. She's very young. Yes? So the opposite of old is young. Opposite of old is young. Say everyone after me. Opposite of old is young. Very good. Next word, strong. Next word is strong. Can you see this boy? He is very strong. He eat very healthy foods. So he is very strong. He has built up his muscles and he is doing exercise daily. So the word is strong, but its opposite is weak. This boy in the right hand side wearing the pink t-shirt is very weak because he doesn't eat healthy food nor he exercise daily. So he become weak. So the opposite word of strong is weak. Say everyone after me. Opposite of strong is weak. Next word, closed. Can you see this door? It's closed. The boy is standing and the door is closed. Now he opened the door. So this cat enters the house. So the opposite of the word closed is open. The door is closed. Now the door is open. Closed and opposite is open. So everyone repeat after me. Opposite of closed is open. Very good. Next word, dry. This girl, she is standing in the rain with the umbrella in the hand. So she is dry because the droplets are not falling on her. So she is dry inside the umbrella. But this boy, he is not having the umbrella. So the rain is falling on him. So he become wet. Yes. So this girl is dry because the rain is not falling on her. And this boy is wet because the rain is falling on him. So the opposite of dry is wet. Say everyone, opposite of dry is wet. Next word, noisy. This boy is making a lot of noise. He is very naughty and he is making a lot of noise. Can you see this? Bells in his hand. He is pressing against each other. So it is making a lot of noise. And the opposite of noisy is quiet. This girl is saying shh. What does that mean? This means quiet. So the opposite of noisy is quiet. Next word, cry. This girl is crying. Can you see her? She is crying. And this boy is laughing. So opposite of word cry is laugh. Opposite of word cry is laugh. This girl is crying. The boy is laughing. So everyone say after me. Opposite of cry is laugh. Okay, next word. Sweet. This girl is eating sweets. She's eating ice cream. The ice cream is very sweet, na? You like ice creams? Everyone likes ice cream because it is very sweet. But this boy is eating a lemon. Have you tasted the lemon? It feels so sour. Na? The lemon is very sour. So when you eat the ice cream, you feel sweet. your tongue feels sweet. And when you eat the lemon, your tongue feels sour. So the opposite of sweet is sour. Everyone say opposite of sweet is sour. Next word, work. This boy is working. He is doing his homework, right? So this boy is working and its opposite is play. The boy in the right hand side is playing. So when the boy has done his work, homework, now he is playing. So the opposite of work is, say everyone, play. Next word, big. This colorful ball is so big. Can you see? Its size is so big. And this ball in the right hand side, the white ball, it's very small. So, can you see, differentiate between their size? The ball in the left hand side is big and the right hand side ball is small. The opposite of big is small. Say everyone, opposite of big is small. Okay, next word. This uncle is very old. Can you see? This uncle is very old and these kids are young. So the opposite of old is young. Say everyone, opposite of old is young. Next word, light. When you switch on the light, yes, the bulb or the tube light, it shines. And when you switch off the switch of the light, it becomes dark. So the opposite of light is dark. Opposite of light is dark. Next word. The umbrellas in the left hand, can you see the yellow umbrellas? They are all same. They are all of same color, yellow color. So they are same. But these colorful umbrella on the right hand side, they are all different. One umbrella is of yellow color. Another is pink. And the third one is green. So these three are different, right? So the opposite of same is different. Say everyone, opposite of same is different. Next word. Can you see this puzzle? This is a very simple puzzle. Just 2 blocks. So this is a simple puzzle of 2 blocks. But the right hand side puzzle, it is having so many blocks. Can you see? It becomes so difficult for you to arrange it. So it is very complex. It is very complex. So the opposite of simple is complex. Everyone say after me. Opposite of simple is complex. Very good. Next word. This pink bow. Beautiful pink bow. It is a wide bow. Can you see? Its knot is very wide. But the bow on the right hand side, it's narrow. Its knot is very small. So this opposite of word wide is narrow. Can you see? Can you differentiate between their size? The left one bow is wide and the right one is narrow. So opposite of wide is narrow. Everyone say after me. Opposite of wide is narrow. Next word. Stand. This boy is standing. Yes, he is not using the chair. He is just standing. And the next word is sit. This boy is sitting on the chair. So the opposite of stand is sit. opposite of stand is sit. Next word, cold and hot. This ice cream is cold. Yes, you feel cold when you touch the ice cream. So the ice cream is cold. But this iron, can you see this iron? It's very hot. It is used to iron the clothes. But you should not touch it because it is very hot. So the opposite of cold is hot. Everyone say after me. Opposite of cold is hot. Okay, next word. Front and back. This cat, can you see? It is facing front. Yes, the cat can see you. The two eyes and nose. You can see the cat. She is facing the front. But now the cat is very angry and she is showing you the back. Yes. So the opposite of front is back. Opposite of front is back. Okay, next word. Up and down. Up and down. The dog is going up. Yes. And this dog now coming down. So the opposite of up is down. Opposite of up is down. Next word. Bad and good. Bad and good. This devil is very bad. Yes? Can you see this devil on the left hand side? He's very bad. But this angel on the right hand side, she's very good. Yes? You like angels? Yes? So the opposite of bad is good. Everyone say after me. Opposite of bad is good. Next word. On and under. On and under. Can you see this table? Yes. The pot is on the table. The pot is on the table. But now, can you see this picture on the right hand side? The sleepers are under the table. The sleepers are under the table. So, opposite of on is under. Opposite of on is under. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoy it. Yes? You like the opposite words? Now you have to revise them, okay? So that you can learn them. And now we will upload this video so that you can learn from by seeing the video, okay? All right. Now in our next session, we are going to do some yoga postures. Everyone is ready to do yoga? All right. Now everyone stand up, stand on the floor, and I'll show you some of the postures. You have to repeat the postures after me. We'll learn 5 postures, okay? First of all, stand straight like this, everyone, and raise your hands slowly. Raise your hands slowly and try to touch them. Try to touch both your hands like this. Stretch them. Stretch both hands. This is a posture called a mountain posture. This is called mountain posture. This is how a mountain stands. Yes, this is the shape of the mountains. Yes, so this is the mountain posture. Try to stand straight and raise your hands like this. Next posture. Lift your left leg, put it on the knees like this. This is the posture called a tree posture. This is called a tree posture. Can you see? The trees has stems. So your hands are like the stems of a tree. And the leg is the trunk. The leg is the trunk. So try to stand like this. Now put your leg down and raise your right leg. Raise your right leg. This is hands and put your leg like this. This is how a tree stands. Yes? Next we will do the flying bird posture. Okay? A flying bird posture. Stand everyone like this. And raise your hand, your right hand, and put your left leg back like this. This is a flying bird posture. This is how a bird flies. Yes. This is how a bird flies. Very good. Try to do it with the another hand. Raise your left hand and raise your right leg. Try to stretch it. Very good, everyone. This is how a bird flies. Okay? Very good, everyone. Now the fourth posture we will do. Keep doing, everyone. Yes, I can see Anaira, Swara, Kavya. You are doing very good. We will do the next posture. Okay? Now raise your hands like this and put them down. Touch your feet. Touch your feet. This is a falling rain posture. Everyone, try to touch your feet. This is a falling rain posture. Very good, everyone. Now, stand back. Put your hands. Put your hands here. And rotate around. Rotate around. This is how a earth revolves. Yes? The earth revolves round and round. Okay, very good, everyone. Keep doing. Now for the other side. Revolve around. The earth rotates around the sun. This is how the earth rotates around the sun. Okay, well done, everyone. Now we do next posture. It is like stand straight. Try to sit like this. Try to sit below. Can you see me? Try to sit like this. Join your legs and press place them against your chest like this. This is the planting seed position. This is the planting seed position. Now sit like this and raise your right hand. Raise your right hand and stretch it down. Stretch it down like this. Stretch as much as you can. Now come back to your same position. Now again, raise your left hand and try to stretch it down. Try to stretch it down as much as you can. Very good. Now come back to your same position. Yes, everyone is doing. Okay. Now we will do the next posture. It is called the butterfly posture. Put your legs, press them against each other and move it like this. Wiggle your legs. This is how a butterfly flies. Yes. Keep on doing. Keep on doing, everyone. Okay, well done. Now, next we will do leather posture. Put your hands on your shoulder and wiggle them around. Wiggle them around in the front. Keep on doing. Now, backwards. Backwards like this. Have to repeat it for 5 times. Okay, everyone. You like it? Everyone? Okay. So, everyone, you have to practice it daily, okay? I have told you 5 postures and you have to practice them daily. Okay? Very good, Swara. Very good, Divyanshu.